Remember guys, put the brakes on irresponsible drinking.
Don't drink and drive.
Enjoy Sailor Jerry in moderation.
Timeless designs that deliver a warm, handcrafted look to your custom ride. Artistically manufactured from solid brass, these components feature a natural, antique finish that will age and patina when exposed to the elements. Every piece has a story to tell. Start yours today with the Brass Collection from Harley-Davidson.
On this episode, Ian and I are going to make our way to Milwaukee to catch up with the crew from Harley-Davidson and ride motorcycles at X Games, Minneapolis. First stop was Four Seasons Skate Park in Milwaukee. Really fun bowl with a good hip, wall ride. We ended up dragging some motorcycles into the skate park. The Ives brothers were in town, so that was really cool. It was great to catch up those guys. They were doing burnouts at the skate park, and we got to jump a couple of them, and, kind of mix some BMX and motorcycles together, and I thought that was pretty cool.